The Bose CineMate Series II offers a remarkable audio experience for your home theater setup with its unique 2.1 channel system that enhances the sound quality of your HD TV. Equipped with advanced articulated array speakers, this system delivers a full range of sound, ensuring immersive and clear audio without the need for rear or center channel speakers. The Acoustimass module, a signature feature of Bose, provides deep, rich bass tones while remaining discreetly hidden within your room's decor. Thanks to the proprietary TrueSpace digital processing circuitry, users can enjoy a spacious, multi-channel soundscape that elevates their entertainment experience. The system is user-friendly, featuring a simple 4-button remote control to manage power, volume, and mute functions effortlessly. With its straightforward setup involving just a few connections, the CineMate Series II is designed for ease of use, making it an ideal choice for those seeking high-quality sound without complicated installation.